Hi, I'm Kristen with Wildflowers and Fresh Food, and this is citrus salsa verde. So, I teach a lot of cooking classes and we have to do something quick and easy. So often we'll roast a piece of salmon, we'll grill some chicken, and we'll put this citrus salsa verde on top. And it makes a regular old chicken or salmon dish really kind of zippy and unusual. I also had some video questions come in recently, and my friend Katie had asked about some things to top dishes to give it more flavor, and her husband had asked how to make things a little bit prettier during the week. When he's doing the cooking, he wants to make it look really nice for her. So citrus salsa verde is a great solution for all of those things. All right, so it's also super easy. I'm going to start with a shallot. I've got this giant one here. This is generally about how a shallot looks. A shallot is sort of a cross between garlic and onion. So it has a really nice flavor. I'm just gonna cut that up a little bit. Pop that into a bowl. Katie and Will also became a fan at the classes of the pottery that I love to use. It's Zach Serkey's pottery, and they've gotten each other multiple gifts of it over the years. So that's a really fun thing, and that's always gonna make everything look prettier. So I'm gonna chop up some herbs, of course, for this salsa verde. And I've got basil, cilantro, and parsley. And I'm just gonna run my knife through it. You actually could put this into a blender or a Cuisinart and make it into an absolute puree and thin sauce. You can do that. I tend to like my sauces a little chunkier, so I'm gonna go ahead and just chop it. I do love to hear from you, especially I love to hear from people after a class or after they watched one of the YouTube videos and they tried something. If they changed it up a little bit, I love to hear about that. I'm really here to encourage you to give it a try, and if you build on it, I want to hear about it because I think that's really a success. Into the bowl. And what makes it our citrus flavor is we're going to put in some orange zest. You can use a grater, you can chop up these long ribbons if you don't like them long. I love them, I think they're so pretty. I hope you can see that little spray that comes off the citrus. It's oils and it releases a great scent, but it also gives a lot of flavor. So that's where part of our zesting really comes in. And then we're gonna do the same thing with lemon. All right. So let's put some juice in there too. I love just to stick a fork right in there and get the juice. You can actually use this as a marinade too. So I'm using it as a sauce or a topping, but you can, what I'll do is I'll make a big batch and I'll put half aside and use that for my topping, and then go ahead and marinate my chicken or my shrimp you could use in this, and then cook it. And then top it with the sauce that you put aside. We're also going to add in just a little bit of paprika, a little bit of salt, and some olive oil. We're going to combine it. So in a lot of my classes we make chimichurri. This is very similar to our chimichurri. It has a couple of different ingredients. And of course, this one's more of a citrus with the orange. It is so good. I hope that you will try this one. Like I said, you can use it on shrimp, chicken, all your beefs, pork, anything that you like to make. It's delicious. Please subscribe to the channel. I'd love to keep in touch with you. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. I have a website, wildflowersandfreshfood.com. That's where you can find lots of free recipes. Thanks so much.